Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Silvani Kasriani, NPM 2441135 from class MNG 24C, Prodi Management. Here I will present a topic entitled Understanding Business Law. Understanding business law. Business law is one of the branches of legal studies that play fundamental role in supporting modern economic life. Along with the rapid development of the business world, which is characterized by globalization, digitalization, and the increasing complexity of business transaction, the need for clean and systematic legal regulation has become increasingly urgent. Every business activity, with here carried out by individuals, business entities, or large-scale corporations, cannot be separated from being legal profession. In this context, business law serves as a normative instrument that regulates legal relationships among business actors so that economic activity can be conducted in an orderly, fair, and sustainable manner. Without adequate legal regulation, business activity have the potential to give rise to conflict of interest, legal uncertainty, and loss for that various party involved. In general terms, business law can be understood as a set of legal norms and rules that govern various aspects of business activity, ranging from the establishment of business entities, the execution of business agreements, the production and distribution of goods or services, to the mechanisms for resolving disputes arising from business activities. Business law does not solely focus on the interests of business actors, but also take into account the protection of customers, employees, the safety and security at large. Thus, business law functions as a regulation instrument to ensure that business activities are not merely profit-oriented, but are also carried out in accordance with principles of just, ethics, and social responsibility. The definition of business law according to legal scholars may vary. However, substantively it refers to the sum or compact. Business law is often defined as the entirety of legal rules that regulation and protect business activity and the legal relationship among business actors. In this sense, business law encompasses both written regulation such as statutes, government regulation, and a contract, as well as unwritten norms, including customary practice and generally active business usages. Business law can also be viewed as a means of creating legal certainty, enabling business actors to conduct their activity with a sense of security and legal protection. In practice, business law have a very broad scope. This scope includes company law, contract law, commercial law, competition law, customer protection law, labor law, intellectual property law, as well as bankruptcy law and business dispute relationship. Each of the Earth has its own function and objective. Yes, they are an internship. For example, company law regulation the establishment, structure, and responsibility of business entities, while contract law governs the legal relationship between companies and other parties through legally binding agreements. Contract law is one of the most fundamental aspects of business law. Almost every business transaction involves an agreement between two or more parties. Such agreement might take the form of written or oral contract, provide the full fee, the legal requirement for a valid contract under civil law, including mutual consent, legal compatibility of the parties, and specific subject matter, and a level choice. And concrete example of contract law is business can be formed in competition agreement between manufacturer companies and distributors. This agreement regulates the right and obligation of each party such as the quality of goods to supply payment system, distribution areas, and cessation in the event that all party companies a breach of contract. In addition of law, company law institutes as assessment company of business law. Company law government variants of business entities such as sole proprietorship, partnership, limited partnership, and limited liability companies. These regulation corporation for company establishes organization structures the responsibility of direct and commissioner and the distributor of profit. An example of the application of company law can be seen in establishment of a limited liability company, where the founders are required to comply with legal requirements, such as the prepare of a deed of assignment before and notary affirmed by the Ministry of Law and Human Rights. At the regulation of a business innovation number, all of the products on to be legal credit to the company and parties associated with it. Business law is also closely relationship consumer protection law is business activity. Consumer of account a weaker positive compared to business actor. Therefore, business law play a crucial role in protecting consumer. It prevent them from being harmed. Consumer protection include the right to access information, the right to safe and security, and the right to compensation if the good or service reserved do not comply with the agreement. An example of customer protection law can be seen in state where food products do not display expiration dates. In such cases, business actors may be subject to legal sanction for violating customer rights and applicable legal provisions. I hate company business environment. Company law also play with role. Company law issue prevent unfair business practice such as monopoly, cartel, and unfair competition. These regulations are designed to ensure that all business actors have equal opportunities in according business activity. An example of a violation of company law is blackfilling agreement among several companies to control the market. Such practice can harm consumers by creating unsustainable practices and limiting product costs. Furthermore, business law also combines labor law with regulation relationship between employees and employers. It does contact business law function and enforce the rights and obligation of parties. The contact and business law function and enforce rights and obligation of parties. Employers are obligated to provide fair wage, conscientious safety quarters, and social protection, while employees are required to perform their duties in accordance with the employer agreement. An example of the application of labor in business can be the employer can do that regulation workhouse, work, life, and testimony of employers. If violation occurs, so as unimaterial with laws, her employees are entitled to seek legal protection. Intellectual property law also constitutes an important part of business law, particularly the digital economy. Intellectual property include profession, trademarks, patents, and industry design. Legal protection of intellectual property aims to reward creativity and innovation, as well to parents the ocean out of work by author parties. Example of intellectual property law business in the regulation of trademark to prevent invasion by competition. With legal protection in place, business actors can develop their enterprise more securely and confidently. In the conduct of business activity, disputes between parties outcome such disputes may arise due to differing interpretation of contract, without contact or auto legal violence. The for business law also regulation matching for dispute regulation, both toward legalization and no legalization challenge. Legalization toward the court referee and formal method of dispute regulation, with non-legalization method include negotiation, mediation, arbitration, and other alternative dispute regulation mentioned. An example of business dispute resolution so arbitration can be found in international business contracts. They include clauses as the house made for solving disputes. Overall, understanding business law is essential for every business actor. By understanding business law, business actor minimal legal rights that might harm the enterprise. Therefore, and sound understanding of business law assists business actor in making appropriate and strategic decisions. Business law should not be viewed as the objects, but rather as a tool for greater order, justice, and stability in the business world. Overall, business law plays a vital role in regulation and directing economic activity. It provides legal guidelines, protects the rights and obligations of the parties involved, and creates a healthy and productive business environment. Cause and comprehensive understanding of business law is They expect the business actor will coordinate activities professionally, ethically, and responsibility. Thus, business law not only supports economic growth but also contributes to regulation of public water on broad scale. Apa bahasa Inggrisnya? Sekian dan terima kasih.
Panjangin aja, Bu.
Apa?
Enggak, ini bikinkan aku penutupan buat di YouTube pakai bahasa Inggris. Jadi bagus gitu loh buat penutupan. Jangan singkat. Ini sudah all for me gitu.
Bentar bu, tinggal penutupan kok.
Berisik itu.
Ih, oh. In conclusion, business law is very important in regulation and promoting business activity. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.